Imagine a rocket so powerful it could carry entire cities' worth of cargo into space. A spacecraft designed not just to visit the moon, but to build permanent bases there. And one day, even transport humans to Mars. This is Starship, the most powerful rocket ever built by SpaceX. And now, the company is preparing for something big, Starship Flight 12, featuring one of the largest upgrades ever made to the system. After a series of dramatic test flights, some successful, some explosive, SpaceX is now pushing forward with major improvements. Today, we'll explore what Starship Flight 12 is, the massive upgrades coming to the rocket, why this flight matters, and how it transforms humanity's future. Let's dive in. Section 1. What is Starship? Starship is the centerpiece of SpaceX's ambitious plan to make humanity a multi-planetary species. The system consists of two massive stages. The Super Heavy booster, this first stage provides the immense power needed to leave Earth's atmosphere. And on top of it sits Starship, the spacecraft that can travel to orbit, the moon, and eventually Mars. Together, they form the tallest and most powerful rocket system ever built. Standing around 120 meters tall, Starship is larger than the legendary Saturn V that carried astronauts to the moon in the 1960s. But unlike older rockets, Starship is designed to be fully reusable. The goal is simple but revolutionary: launch, land, refuel, fly again. If successful, Starship could dramatically reduce the cost of reaching space. This is the key to making space accessible for everyone. Section 2. The road to flight. 12. Developing a rocket this large is not easy. In fact, Starship development has been filled with spectacular test flights. Some launches ended in fiery explosions. Others achieved partial success. But every test has provided valuable data. SpaceX follows a philosophy of rapid iteration. Instead of spending decades perfecting a rocket before launch, they test early, learn quickly, and improve constantly. With each flight, engineers gather data. They gather data about engine performance, heat shield durability, stage separation, booster recovery systems, and atmospheric re-entry, all leading to Flight 12. Section 3. The massive upgrades. Flight 12 is expected to introduce several important improvements, starting with the heart of the machine. At the heart of Starship are the powerful Raptor engines. These engines run on liquid methane and liquid oxygen, making them highly efficient for deep space. For Flight 12, SpaceX has been testing new versions of the Raptor engines with higher thrust, improved reliability, and better fuel efficiency. These help generate even more power. Returning from orbit is one of the most dangerous phases. When Starship re-enters, temperatures can exceed 1,500 degrees Celsius. To survive, it uses thousands of heat shield tiles. Engineers have been redesigning these tiles to reduce damage during re-entry, improve durability, and simplify replacement between flights, essential for reusability. One of the most unusual features is the plan to catch the Super Heavy booster using giant tower arms. Nicknamed the chopsticks, these mechanical arms are revolutionary. This could allow the booster to be refueled quickly, reattached to a new Starship, and launched again within days. Flight 12 may include more tests of this system. One of the biggest challenges for Mars is fuel. SpaceX plans to use orbital refueling, where one Starship transfers fuel to another while in space. This is a game changer. Section 4. Why Flight 12 matters. Starship isn't just another rocket, it's a key part of the future of human space exploration. It is the bridge to other worlds. The spacecraft has already been selected by NASA to serve as the human landing system for the Artemis program. Astronauts could one day land on the moon inside Starship. But the long-term goal is even bigger: Mars. Elon Musk believes Starship could carry hundreds of passengers and massive cargo for Mars settlements. If the upgrades in Flight 12 perform as expected, it will bring SpaceX one step closer to that vision. Every launch is a brick in the foundation of a multi-planetary future. Section 5. Challenges still ahead. Of course, the road to Mars is not easy. Starship still faces several major hurdles before it becomes fully operational. Engine reliability must continue improving. The heat shield must survive repeated re-entries. Orbital refueling must be demonstrated successfully in the harsh vacuum of space. And regulatory approvals must be secured for frequent launches. But SpaceX has already achieved something remarkable. Just years ago, this was only a concept. Today, massive stainless steel rockets are launching regularly from Starbase. And with each test flight, the system becomes more capable. We are watching history unfold. Conclusion: the dawn of a new space age. Starship Flight 12 may not be perfect. Test flights rarely are. But every launch brings us closer to a routine space travel future. A future where cargo ships fly to the moon, scientists live on lunar bases, and humans step onto the red deserts of Mars. The journey is just beginning. The upgrades in Starship Flight 12 represent another crucial milestone. The next giant leap for humanity may not be decades away. It might be just a few launches from now. If you enjoyed this deep dive, subscribe to Tech and Trek and Cosmic Chronicler. We explore the technologies shaping our future. The next breakthrough is closer than you think.